Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of GIZ MH411 high bass comfort fit wireless headphones from the brand Gizmore. So let's get started. These are the wireless headphones from the brand Gizmore, and they have these amazing features like they offer 360 degrees surround stereo sound. That means you get a complete wholesome experience when you listen to the music. Plus there is a micro SD card slot. Also, it has a high version noise cancelling chipset. That means whenever you wear these headphones, the extra sound, the extra noise that's in the environment won't come inside these headphones. So you can focus on whatever you are listening to. Plus they also have wireless calling, long working time, 15 hours. 15 hours is a good playback time. Now, as far as the charging is concerned, you have to charge it for good 2 hours. Then only you get a 15 hours playback time. Let me just take you through the features and the specification that I mentioned on the box. Then I'll open the box and show it to you. So quickly, specification, it says it has a Bluetooth version 5.0. Plus, as far as the operation range is concerned, it offers up to 10 meters. The charging time, as I told you, is up to 2 hours. The playback time is up to 15 hours and standby time is around 150 hours. As far as the battery is concerned, it's 300 mAh. And features that it offers are, it has a multimedia headphone, that means Bluetooth, FM, TF and auxiliary support. 3.5 mm audio jack, plus there's a micro USB charging port. The charging cable is given inside the box, and there is also a LED indicator, ultra comfortable leather pads and perfect fit stretchable headband. So let me just open the box. And this is how it looks. Plus there is also this user manual that's inside the box and this USB charging. This is the main product, Gizmore MH411, and these are light in weight. It's full black in color, and they have this soft cushioning at the ear plus soft cushioning at the headband. So I think these are quite comfortable to wear. Now there are a lot of buttons on the ear cups. I'll just show it to you. This is for the mode, this M button, so you can switch between different modes. There's a volume control button, plus you can also, there is one power button, and there is also LED indicator. So when you connect this via Bluetooth to your phone or to your laptop, then the LED gets on. That means it's ready for pairing. And these are adjustable and it's quite smooth. Adjusting them is quite smooth. There's also a micro SD card slot. If you have some ready data in your card, some music and all you want to listen to, you can easily put the card here. There is a slot for the card. So this is the slot for the card to put your micro SD card, and this is to charge it, and this is the cable that you get along. You just put it here and you can charge it for 2 hours, and the playback time that you get is for 15 hours. So this was it in the unboxing video of a GIZ MH411. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.